Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn stock market properly. Start by defining your goals and time horizon, then build a basic vocabulary of key terms like stocks, ETF, and dividends. Practice with a demo account to learn order types and risk management without financial pressure. Track simple metrics and review trades weekly to reinforce lessons and adjust your plan as you gain confidence. Stay patient and consistent while learning. I cover essential concepts like diversification, valuation, and risk, then show practical ways to study them. Learn how diversification reduces volatility, how valuation helps identify bargains, and how risk tolerance shapes position sizing. Use simple models like moving averages and P/E ratios to analyze trends, and read company reports to understand fundamentals. Allocate time each week for study and reflection to turn knowledge into disciplined habits. Next, I outline a step-by-step routine to build real skills in the market. Start with simulated trading, then graduate to small real positions while keeping a trade journal. Focus on risk per trade, position sizing, and exit rules before increasing exposure. Combine reading, video lessons, and community feedback to speed learning, and schedule regular reviews to measure progress and refine strategies without overtrading. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions always.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.